On Friday, May 30th, 2025, Nigerian football star Ademola Lookman paid a courtesy visit to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at his Lagos residence, where he presented his 2024 CAF African Player of the Year award. During this visit, Lookman was also received by Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu at the Government House in Marina. Lookman, who plays as a forward for Italian club Atalanta, earned the prestigious award following an outstanding 2023/2024 season. He scored 17 goals and provided 11 assists across all competitions for Atalanta. Notably, he delivered a remarkable hat-trick in the Europa League final against Bayern Leverkusen, securing Atalanta's first ever European title. His achievements also extended to the international stage, where he played a pivotal role in Nigeria's journey to the African Cup of Nations final. This accolade makes Lookman the 7th Nigerian to be named CAF Player of the Year, succeeding compatriot Victor Osimhen, who won the award in 2023. While this new height has sparked reactions online, with many rejoicing with Lookman as he remembers his roots. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. You can as well share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And keep watching NaijaNews TV.